What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 5 of the Road to 10K per month Amazon Profit Challenge. And today, guys, we'll be going over what I did for week 5, which is create my Amazon seller account. So, if you're new to this series, what we're doing is we're doing a 12-week challenge of me building out an Amazon FBA business from the ground up by purchasing Kevin David's Amazon semi-automated product, of him building it out for us, picking our product, sourcing, developing the branding for my business, all the way from A to Z. So if this interests you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give your boy the thumbs up. He needs it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, I created my Amazon Seller Central account this week, and just to give you guys a heads up, you don't want to miss this. So what happened was that when I was creating my Amazon Seller Central account, I created a new business bank account. With that being said, I really didn't have a bank statement already, and Amazon needs a bank statement, a paper physical bank statement, for you to take a picture of. You cannot use an online bank statement. It will not work. And that's what happened to me. I tried to take a picture of it with my phone online because I couldn't find a bank statement, obviously because I just started my account. So I had to reach out to my bank and then actually issue me out one, which is perfectly fine. It was super easy to do. But just FYI, if you're looking to create your Amazon Seller Central account and they're just not taking it, please, and they mentioned this too, you can't take screenshots of your bank statement. So please have your bank print one out for you. Therefore, you can have your phone and take a picture of it, and then you'll be good to go. And as for people that's inside the U.S., if you're outside the U.S., you might want to use like a banking service called Payoneer, that should allow you to actually create an Amazon Seller account, because it gives you bank information that you can upload to Amazon, allowing you to create the Amazon Seller Central account. But so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in a little bit deeper. And what we kind of did through the class was that we just kind of went over different tabs of how to like build everything out, from uploading your product to developing your listing, all the way up to PPC as well. So I'm going to click on some tabs so you guys can kind of see what I learned. And also I kind of blocked out some credential information so that for you can't, so my information is not stolen from me, pretty much. But I'll just read off what tab that I'm clicking on. That way you guys kind of know where I'm at in terms of the dashboard on Amazon Central. But so for doing PPC, which is typically used for launching your product to help get reviews faster and quicker, here's the campaign manager. Of course, I have not started that campaign yet, but when I do, I'll walk through the steps of how I'm going about building it out, which is, I think, week 10. PPC management is week 10. So we'll go over like how I'm building it out and all that fun stuff. And then if I go to advertising, and then I go to coupons. So let's say that I want to do some giveaways, some sales and reviews relatively fast. I would use this, and then you just click create your first. I'm not gonna do that now, but I will when I launch my product. And again, I'll show you guys step by step how I'm going about doing it. And see what else we got. You got promotions like buy one get one and percentage off. Again, if you're just trying to launch your product, this is a good way to actually go about doing that. And then also too, within the program that Kevin David has, which is this online course, which you guys can purchase this course as well for, I think it's $2,000. But he gives you like a ton of hacks, Amazon Seller Central hacks. So let's say, for example, you accidentally use a photo that's been copyrighted and someone else is using it, but the supplier has actually distributed that photo amongst quite a bit of suppliers, and then Amazon flags you and suspends you. He shows you and gives you a template of how to go about mitigating the damage report from Amazon to where you can get your account unsuspended. So very tons of value from Kevin David within this course under Amazon Seller Central hacks. I'm not going to go through every single one of these tabs, but tons of great value for getting this course. And yeah, it tells you it's like I think 8 different templates basically for just kind of things that you might run into. Not only what I just said, but different things that might pop up that you're not even aware of. That he really helps you out, and he gives you contact information too, as far as like who to reach out to. So definitely worth the purchase just on that piece alone. So again, I'll put a link down below in the description so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But let's see, going back to Amazon Seller Central. Let's see, reports. So business reports. It kind of shows you a breakdown of like when people are selling or when people are buying your product, when you're getting your sales, what time of the day, and how many units are ordered. And it's basically the nitty gritty of your business, nuts and bolts. And then we have catalog, how to add products. In this section, and then managing your inventory. We have, let's see, your messages tab in the far right corner right here. Messages of like people that are replying back to you or have a comment or some kind of concern about your product. This is where you'd find it, and then you just respond back. Again, you probably want to have, depending on the volume that you have coming in, you might want to pull in a VA. And again, you don't want to have them like, you don't want to give them all the permissions to access this, because you might get your account banned or flagged because of 2 different IP addresses. So definitely restrict them on what they can and cannot see on your account. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. Again, hence the reason why Kevin David gives you templates of how to get unbanned of certain situations, kind of like that one. And yeah, but yeah, this is the section that you would get. Something's damaged, or you have I never did get my package, you would get it here and you just respond back to them. Again, you have a VA respond back to them, that way you're kind of hands off, don't have to worry about it. But for me, I plan on actually doing this for about a year or so. That'll give me a good range of what's being asked the most, and what are the most, and what kind of concerns that people are bringing up and inquiring about regarding my product. So we have that, and that's really the gist of it, guys. There's really not too much you want to or need to actually dive into when you're using the Amazon Seller Central account. But yeah, so if you guys like the video, give your boy a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And again, next week, guys, we'll be going over the product listing for my product, because I should be getting at least 7 to 10 different quotes on my product, and we'll be set to go for the product listing. So again, guys, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.